Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making a keto, low-carb berry cream dessert. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the keto, low-carb berry cream dessert. You'll need 2/3 of a cup of mascarpone cheese, 50 ml of heavy cream or whipping cream, 1 cup of blueberries or blackberries, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of crushed pistachios, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 1 teaspoon of orange blossom water. And this is how your berry cream dessert should look like, so enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!